In this guide, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to change your fantasy Premier League formation, whether you want to play with a 3-4-3, go heavy in defense with a 5-3-2, or try another valid setup. Launch your Fantasy Premier League app. Now navigate to the tab Fantasy. Once you're over here, click on the option Pick Team. Now from here, you can easily change your formation. To change your formation, simply swap players between your bench and starting lineup. For example, drag a midfielder from bench and swap them with a defender or forward. This system will automatically adjust your formation to keep it valid. You must have at least 3 defenders, at least 2 midfielders, and at least 1 forward on the pitch. Any legal formation will work as long as you follow those rules. Once you are happy with the new setup, tap the confirm button in the top right corner to save your changes. And that's it. That's how you change your Fantasy Premier League formation in seconds. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.